कि दिल आप में खुश आमदीद। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा कि ये सॉन्ग आपको कैसा लगा।
Oh, for Belle who runs so fast. B for bear, big and fast. C for cat who says meow. D for duck swimming now. E for elephant strong and tall. F for frog who loves to call. G for goat who climbs so high. H for hen who cannot fly. I for igloo cold and white. J for jelly, such a delight. K for kite flying in the sky. L for lion with a mighty cry. M for monkey swinging by trees. N for nest in the breeze. O for owl who hoots at night. P for penguin black and white. Q for queen wearing a crown. R for rabbit hopping around. S for sun shining so bright. T for train chugging with light. U for umbrella when it rains. V for van driving in lanes. W for whale in the sea. X for xylophone play with glee. Y for yak with furry face. Z for zebra in a race. Come sing with me from A to Z. So much fun for you and me. Letter sounds and happy cheer. Let's learn again.